Hi, welcome back to the piano tutorial of BCLC's beginner's lesson. My name is Coach Benji and I'm going to be teaching you a finger exercise today. Okay, so we will be using the last two topics that we had, finger numbers and the type of notes. Okay, so we will use all of your fingers today. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is place your finger number 1 on C. Any C, okay? Any C you see there. C, number 2 on D, number 3 on E, number 4 on F, and then number 5 on G. So, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, got it? Now, what are you going to do is you count, okay? You make a quarter note in each letters, okay? So you count up to 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after 4, you go back to 1 again in letter G. 1, and then you go back reverse in F. 2, 3, 4, and then 1, you go back to C. And then when you go back to C, you don't do quarter note lang. Okay? You will hold it for 4 count. That means you'll play whole note in C. 1, 2, 3. Again. So I'll make it again, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So same thing in left hand. In left hand, you just have a reversed fingers. Because in C, you'll use your finger number 5. And then finger number 4 on D, finger number 3 on E, finger number 2 on F, finger number 1 on G. Okay? So same thing, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the third bar, you will end up in C, and then you'll do whole note. Okay, so here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, let's do two hands together. So, this is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then release. Okay? Now, one last thing. When you press your keys, make sure they are pressing individually. Okay, some of the fingers, some of the students that I encountered, when they press C, they do not remove it when they press D. You must remove it when you press D, and when you press E, you remove D. Okay, some of the students I encountered, they press C, and then they still hold it when they press D. You see that you listen to the sound, the sound of the C doesn't disappear. Okay? So for that to happen, for your fingers to have a individual movement, you have to release each and every time you press another key. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You can do that in all of the keys. Okay? So as long as your fingers are intact on the 5 white keys, and then they have the same pitch, they have the same letters, it's okay. Okay? So that's it for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.